Hey guys, welcome back to episode 7 of Teardown. This will probably be the last episode of playing Teardown. I love the mods. I need wake. Okay, we had to get rid of some mods, but I added some new mods that I kind of want to have a go. It's hopefully good. Space. We're gonna go to space, guys. Oh, I think we have new weapons. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, we're in space. Why can't we not fly anymore? Alright, let us summon add. Ah, look how we are dropped. Help! Help! Oh, what the fuck? Okay, let's try this again. Stop! Guys, oh, what? The Earth's flat, guys. Ah, fuck this. Okay, at the Telaria's star system. What the hell? What? I just killed him. Why does this keep happening? Okay. For some reason, the TARDIS pack. Ooh. Ooh, a TARDIS. Oh my god, a TARDIS. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh shit, sorry. Doctor? 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 Oh my god, the doctor. Oh well, it's just, that's... Alright, but we'll actually fix something. What? There should be other... Should be like weapons. A dalek. What? Okay, the space one I'm very disappointed in. Yeah, I'm very disappointed in the space one. You know? It's annoying. Alright, so I think we'll just go into missions places that we have been to. Village. I'm gonna try this one. I have to subscribe to first. But hey, I'm gonna maybe summon. No. Why would I remove castles and? No, how am I supposed to hide from the dinosaurs? And the Daleks. Alright, let's spawn in a Dalek. Breakable, yes, obviously a breakable. Oh shit! Oh shit! Now, do Daleks burn? Ha! Ha! Look at you! You broke. The Daleks do not burn, but do they have lava? What? Okay, let's spawn a soldier. Wait, literally there's an unbreakable. This Dalek does. Hey, what the hell? I can summon unbreakable ones or break. Hello there. Lovely weather we're having. No. Shit. No. Oh God. What do I do? I thought it was unbreakable. They wouldn't. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna trap it. Maybe if I. Where'd it go? Is it gone? It's gone. We did it, guys. We did it. Oh my God, a bridge. Okay. Let us summon a old-fashioned dinosaur. A terminator. Oh my God. You are terminated. Oh shit. What? Shit. Fuck you. Yes, haha. You want a piece of me? Come on. Are you dead? You are terminated. Oh, so what's this one?
Chill out, dickwad.
What, are you serious? Are you... You're naked, come on. Ah, I died. No, help. Oh shit. Help. Help. Help, what have I done? Oh. Yeah, it's still alive. Why didn't whip? How do you like? Come on, die already. Okay, it's still alive. Okay, this is a great idea to run away. Okay, that dalek is still alive. Ah, guys, help! Help! Why is no one? I know to help me. What do I do? Open this door. Okay, wait, think. The Terminator can't be. Wait, so maybe can the Dalek be pushed back with a minigun? Let's have a look. Okay. Okay, no, it can't. But the Dalek can be trapped. I can trap the Dalek. Yes. Okay, good, great. I can't. So. Die. That won't work, but hey, you never know. Now, is that Terminator dead or is he? Oh, I have a hook shotgun. Ha! You're trapped, Mr. Terminator. Wait, is he dead? Oh, you're dead. What about the other guy? Aha. Alright, let's summon. I think let's summon. Let's summon 2.
Talk to the hand.
Okay. Let's spawn 2.
Chill out, dickwad.
Okay. Oh. The Dalek is dead. Oh. Oh. Oh shit! Oh shit! I lost my control. I lost the controls. The minigun is the only one that can push them back. Shit! I'm scared. The dinosaurs at least were big and just destroyed everything. Shall I turn? Okay, fine. I'll spawn a dinosaur. Oh. Okay. Okay, that won't. So why did I summon two? Father, I have sinned. Oh shit! Go away! I'm busy fixing stuff. Fuck you! Fuck you! Okay. Oh wow, they can be killed. Fuck this guy. He's Spinosaurus, cause I need more destruction. Okay. Think. Okay, we killed one who will not be destroyed. We have a dinosaur trying to kill us. Might as well let's just summon Darla. Okay, oh god. I'm sorry. Ah! Help! Come on. Oh my god, what do I do? What do I do? Oh. Okay. Sorry, I apologize. Okay, I apologize. Oh, okay, well, we'll save up here. He can't get me. Can he? He can't. Okay, this house on fire. I don't know why it's on fire. Okay. Oh my god! Oh shit, sorry. Fuck's sake, I was... Okay. The dalek. I will... Jump in the roof. Okay. Think, guy. Think. I just summoned a lot. Alright. Okay, now how about I do more stuff? More chaos. Oh god, way too much zombies. Too much. Okay. Okay, don't panic. I just played like too many zombies all coming in the sitting room. And I'm in a really tough spot. Okay, but hey, it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna burn them all. Okay, two Daleks. Fuck you! Okay. I got. Woo! Fuck you! Come on, get up! Fuck you! Yeah, that's right. Fuck you! Okay, aha. Deadly, am I right? Alright. Right. Okie dokie then. Alright. I'm just gonna hide here. Oh, it's a bar? Alright. Can't see me. Okay. Oh god! Oh god! The zombies are coming out. For the love of God. We got zombies. Help! Can I what? No! I'm trapped! Zombie, where? Stop moving! Yeah, fuck you. Oh dear God. Oh dear God. I just created chaos. Fucking zombies. Alright, come on. Zombies, is that all? Fuck. Oh shit, that fucking sounds. Fuck. Help! Help, no! Higher under. Wow. That's a beautiful window. Whoa. Okay, I'll be safe here, I think, for now. Dang it, no. Which is worse? Okay, yeah, that T-Rex got killed because of the Daleks. Oh, I have to fight the Daleks. I have a minigun. This is the one that we can't attack this. Okay. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! I mean, come on! Come at me! Come at me! I can do this all day. Come on! Alright, you want a piece of me? Eat this! Oh look, you're stuck. Get up. Come on then. It can't be destroyed by flight. Oh wow, this one got killed by the Dalek. And you're trapped. Alright. Oh my god, the zombies. Just wiping out zombie flesh. You just jumped. Come on, give me a hug. One leg. Headshot. Headshot. Who else is there? Anyone else? That's it. Is that it? No. Well, that's it, guys. Oh. Jimmy. Well, we did it, guys. We did it. Did we kill all the zombies? Ah. Alright, what else shall we do? Shall we summon? Let's summon a Kraken. Might as well. Because my Mom, look, it's a Kraken. Can we keep it? It's dead, sweetie. No. No, but sweetie. Fine, okay. Alright, how about we go for another world? Do one more. Oh, the public library was really good. Yes, the public library is really like huge. Like, you know, we could put like two Daleks like in here. You know, okay, wait, we put one here. Right, let's spawn some Daleks. Make them breakable.
Exterminate!
Don't exterminate. Fucking hell, of course. We'll make 2 Terminators. Oh, you can make a
I'll be back. Hasta la vista, baby.
Oh my god! Shit. Okay, I'll be back in a sec, guys. I just need to plug toilet. back, guys. Oh god. We're being hunted down by a dalek. And oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god. I thought daleks can't go up on stairs. Okay, don't panic, don't panic. Wait, what? No! Fuck you, die! No way, get the fuck away! Okay, okay, don't panic. Destroy the stairs. They can't go up. They can't go up on the stairs. How do you like not being upset? But how do I? Where do I go then? Okay, 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 okay. I have a minigun. I can kill the Daleks. The fuck? Okay, don't panic. Dinny. More stairs. Okay. We're safe. I think I killed one of them. Oh shit! Where the fuck are you? What? What the hell? This is new. What is a TV? That's a TV. Look at that. Anyone here want to suspect? Okay, I probably could just kind of close the door. What the fuck? Fuck you! Get away! Fuck you! Get away! Yeah, that's right. Oh god. Is it dead? I think so. Hopefully. Can we make a hole? Fuck you. Okay, it's dead. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Get. Okay, don't fall on it. Okay. Oh shit. I'm panicking. Guys, I'm panicking. I'm panicking. We're not supposed to panic! We just only. I think we only killed. What is that? One? I think no. I think we killed two of them. There's two Daleks up here. Okay. Like I said, I should. Maybe I should. Okay, there it is. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! 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 Oh, maybe one's dead. One's dead already. Wait a second. Can I make it? Oh my god, I can. Oh, there's the other one. Must have got crushed. Okay, right. I got an idea. I'll make a. Oh, I can make a hole. Hey, Dalek, where are you? Okay, hello there. Lovely weather we're having. Fuck you. Ah! Ah! Oh shit, no. Ah! Ah! Move, you idiot! I know! Okay. Oh shit! Is it dead? It's dead! I killed it! Fuck you! Haha! Fuck you! That was kind of fucked up. That was kind of fun, but all really terrifying. Is it dead? Did we do it? Did we win? I don't know. I'm kind of scared. Okay, let's summon more.
I'll be back. Hasta la vista.
Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Shit. Fuck. Oh, jeez. Come on. I can take you down. Oh. Haha. Okay then. Haha. Okay. Oh shit. Hang on. Okay. Think. I can take you on. Come on. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Shots don't work. Oh. Okay, guys. I think that's it. I think we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you around. Goodbye.